So everyone's heard of a Swiss Army knife, but no one's ever asked for the Backhoe version. So I built it. 1/8 of an inch. Gotta do that about 2,000 more times. It's every boss or foreman's dream. You never have to get out of your equipment. I'm gonna prove it works by building an entire house with it. Fresh air windows. They're like windows, only you get fresh air all the time. You know what I hate? Something with one purpose. Backhoe's stupid. All it does is dig. Now look at it. You can cut all your wood. You can nail everything down with your nail gun. Log tongs to pick up all your lumber. You got your gas. And you're probably thinking, what in the heck? Why is there a shovel? You can never have too much digging power. Plus, people said I had to be inclusive, so I added a Mexican backhoe. This one I just call the Mexican hoe. Chained to the back of it, you got your jumping jack. You come over here, pull out this bolt, and then turn it. Boom. It's every boss or foreman's dream. You never have to get out of your equipment. You never have to leave the seat. All you have to do is occasionally yell at a laborer to get off Fortnite and change one of your attachments. Digging my 4 corners for my house. I'll fix it later. It's super high quality. Stop, don't show the duct tape. Start digging another one over here. 2 holes down. I kind of realized something now. I put the shovel on backwards. It would be able to dig way better if I had it facing towards me. But it worked! Stop, what are you doing? You're not supposed to show that. I haven't gotten out of the seat once. I'm gonna try the Mexican hoe now. You can tie a knot, I swear. You pull this one to tighten it, right, when you're down there digging, and then you pull this one to loosen it. Tighten string. Loosening string. Got our post holes dug, all 4 of them. Let's go put the posts in. Cut this part out. We got 4 posts, all done completely by the Swiss Army backhoe. Not a single bit of calories burnt. It's compacted. Woo! Oh no, my jumping jack. It's almost out of gas. Have no fear. Nailed it. That's how you fill up gas, right? That's how a laborer would fill up with gas. So we got our posts put in and the ground completely compacted all the way through, you know. So now we need to cut our lumber up and start building some walls. Look at the damage I did. About maybe 1/8 of an inch. Got to do that about 2,000 more times. Flawless execution. See, this whole thing is all about multi-purpose. Cuts wood great. It also pulls everything off of your sawhorses for you. So there's that. You're welcome. Works flawlessly. I got this old piece of fence that I tore down. Gonna be part of one of the walls. My trigger. I missed. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Sturdy as ever. Already got 1/4 of my walls up. My vision, door right here, lean-to roof, 4 walls. I have not gotten out of the seat, I promise. And I got my little brace for my door. Perfect. Got the walls all put in place. We're gonna nail them on now. I turned it upside down. That way I can get down a little further. Beautiful. It works like a dream. Getting kind of windy. I'm getting kind of scared. This thing is not nailed off. Look at this. This thing could fall over at any second. Perfect little nail. I think I nailed it. Doubled up. I'm gonna get so rich off it. Look, I've literally built an entire house. I'm gonna put some more lumber on the roof. Flawless execution. I've never left that seat, by the way. Ow. Perfect. And there you have it, folks. The house is completely finished. High quality, all done because of the Swiss Army backhoe attachment. It's even so advanced that it adds a skylight, a crooked skylight, and it makes fresh air windows. They're like windows, only you get fresh air all the time. And you even get like a shower. Here's where the shower comes, right down there. And the door, super spacious. You and like 5 other people can walk in at the same time. That's pretty advanced. That Swiss Army backhoe attachment, that's going places. They're gonna be on every single construction site worldwide. I mean, look what it built. That's impressive. And it only took about 2 hours.